What's going on, B-Risers? I hope you're doing fabulous. I just thought I'd share with you a short video what I'm having for dinner tonight. This is a big salad, so I have a whole bunch of lettuce in here. I sauteed some onion, garlic, kale, celery, broccoli, and shredded some carrots on top. Added some tomatoes. I also have some peas. So this is a high protein meal here. Really, really filling and satiating. And for people going after their health, I recommend, creating healthier habits and just starting with, say, a salad every day. Huge improvements in your health and very good anti-cancer properties in all these foods. The side here we have the dressing, which is tahini lime avocado dressing. Very simple, very tasty, super satiating. And I know exactly, by making your own food, you know exactly what's going in it, and that's going to go right into your body, into your cells. So for me, this is all about keeping it, whole foods, alkaline foods, getting in lots of raw greens, lots of raw vegetables too. And that's, every day, you're investing in your health. So thought I would share with you this video. If you guys like more of these, I can definitely do them. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, and we'll do more of them for you. And I hope you're having a fabulous day. We will see you guys in the next video.